Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the basics from the Proxmox networking. I'm going to explain hardware network interfaces, bridges, what bonds you can use, and we'll dive a bit into VLANs. For the basic configuration, you need to go to the web interface from your Proxmox server. Click on the node and the networking tab from your node. Here you can see the basic network configuration. I have just a simple server with only one network interface. If you cannot access the web GUI, you can go with a monitor and keyboard to your server and check on the shell. You need to go to the directory etc network and edit the interfaces file. Here is your basic network configuration. You can edit the network configuration suitable for your home LAN. If you edit it, you can save the file with Ctrl O and exit it with Ctrl X. To make the changes take place, you need to type the command systemctl restart network service. No, it's networking.service. Now the changes you made in the file take place. Now for the networking tab. I have only one network interface on my server. You can see it here. It's the network device, ENO1. You can imagine it like this. It's the hardware network interface. Here I have attached a Linux bridge with my IP from my Proxmox server. You can see it here. I access the IP via the browser. You can imagine the bridge like this switch here. We have attached the switch to the network interface. This switch is now attached to our VMs. For example, this one or this VM, hardware VMBR0. You can imagine it like this. We have multiple VMs attached to our switch, which is attached to our network interface. This is the basic from the Linux bridge. You can add only one Linux bridge to one network device. If you want multiple bridges, you need multiple hardware network devices. Next, we go to the bonds. I cannot create a bond at this Proxmox server because I have only one network device. A bond is for combining multiple network devices. For example, two ports. If one of the ports does not work anymore, the other one can carry the load. You can configure multiple bonds like balance or active backup. You can read it in the Proxmox documentation. You can access it via the help button. The most common ones are balance, so the network traffic is balanced through both ports. And another common one is active backup. In case one network card fails, the other one can carry the network traffic. So this is active and backup. And for the last one, we going to explain VLANs. In my configuration, I do not have configured VLANs. But in a bigger Proxmox server, I do it like this. I go to my VM, go to the network device, and add a VLAN ID. So all traffic from my VM is tagged with a VLAN ID. When I have multiple VMs with the same VLAN ID, they can communicate. And if I have, for example, a firewall attached to my Proxmox server, it can communicate with this VLAN ID as well. This is a simple overview of the Proxmox networking. If you want a more detailed explanation of VLANs, please comment below and I will do a guide for detailed explanation with VLANs. Thanks for watching, and I would appreciate if you give me feedback in the comments for my videos. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more tech videos, and see you next time.